Annual fee structure is right here. I will show you how the rooms actually look like. Who cannot apply for a hostel seat? The admission in the hostel will be on the basis of your. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to answer your questions related to DDUC hostels. I have been getting many queries regarding the hostel, so in this video, all of these queries will be answered. I will talk about everything from hostel admission procedure to admission criteria to facilities to activities. Everything will be covered in this video, and at the end I will show you how the hostel rooms actually look like. I asked my friends to send me. This is how it looks like from the outside. From the inside, I'll show you at the end. So first, let's start with number of seats. So this is the actual breakdown of the number of seats that the hostel has, and the reservation is 15% for SC category, 7.5 for ST category, 3% for PWD, and 10% for foreign students. That is the breakdown, the reservation criteria. So the hostel is provided only to the students who study regularly at Deen Dayal Upadhyay College. So first you have to admit to the course, you have to finalize your admission, then you can apply for hostel, not before that. Now if I talk about the admission criteria, first, who cannot apply for a hostel seat? This right here is the information. If any one of your parents reside in any one of the cities listed here, you cannot apply for the hostel seat. Now if you can apply for the hostel seat, how? Like, what is the criteria? If you are a first year undergraduate student, then the admission in the hostel will be on the basis of your merit and the personal interaction that will happen. If there is a tie in merit, then these three factors will be considered as the tiebreaker in the order in which they are listed. First is marks in language, then distance, and then age. The older student will be preferred more than the younger student. Now the admission procedure. You can find the application form for the hostels at the college website. I will link it down in the description. And this right here is the checklist of documents that you will require for your application. So make sure you have all of these documents and you submit these documents in a timely manner, and there is no delay, and you do not cross any deadlines. Make sure of it. So this is how you can apply. Next up is the fee structure. So the annual fee structure is right here, 49,900 in total. This is the annual fee. Now apart from this, you have to pay a quarterly fee, which will be this much, that you have to pay at the time of admission and subsequently in the beginning of each quarter, that is October, January and April. And then at the time of admission, you have to pay a security deposit of 10,000. Fee is divided in three parts: annual, quarterly and security deposit. So I think you can make a total how much it is going to cost you. Annual of 49,900, quarterly of 28,500 and security deposit of 10,000. This is your total fee. Now coming to the facilities. First, if I talk about the facilities in the room, here are all the facilities the room has कि क्या क्या आपको आपके रूम में मिलेगा. And if I talk about the whole hostel कि hostel में क्या क्या मिलेगा, these are the facilities that you will be provided at the hostel. The mess timing for the hostel are these, and the hostel has a recreation room which also has its own timings. Right here is where you can find those timings. The hostel also has a mini library where you can prepare for competitive exams, and you will be provided with the books there. The hostel has their own separate activities apart from the college activities. They have their own freshers, farewell, Independence Day celebration, Deepotsav, and many more activities. I will list them here. Some of these may happen in your time, some of these may not happen at your time. So it just depends on the management of the hostel and the management of the college. You can read about all of this at the college website that I will be linking down below in the description, and you can also find the application forms for the hostel, and you can apply for the hostel after you have been admitted to the college or you have finalized your admission. Now I will show you how the rooms actually look like as of now, because my friend has sent me the videos. You cannot always trust the photos at the website, so here is a quick overview for you. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video and many more to come that you will look forward to. And I think that is it. It was like a really small video because there was nothing much that I could tell. You can read everything at the college website. It is in detail, and the most, the main part I have listed here so that you don't have to waste your time that much in finding out and reading the whole website. So that was it. That was the real main information that I thought that I should put and not make this video too lengthy. So that's it for today. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.